Well, joining us now is Rick Lacaille. He's State Street Global Advisors Chief Investment Officer. The group has assets under management in excess of $2 trillion. So, Rick, as always, a great pleasure to have you here in the studio. It seems that all the panic and kind of all the angst that we saw in the markets is now receding. Can it come back just as quickly?
I think it can, yeah. I mean, it came in the VIX. I don't think there were any kind of implications for economic growth or estimate revisions, but it was a pure risk-off trade. And I think particularly in the thin trading days that we're seeing in August, it could come back.
All right, what needs to happen for it to be a significant sell-off? And I'm not talking about nuclear war, but is it a psyche, is it a momentum in the markets that could actually see a trend reversal to the downside that is a little bit more sustained than what we saw so far?
Well, we've all got a different definition of the long term. I guess what I'd be thinking is,
more than 24 hours.
What's going to affect investors that won't come back? These risk-off trades, can be an opportunity to rebound. But if it's going to cause economic damage, trade relations, some physical damage or other, then that won't come back. And I think you'd have to reset expectations about economic growth, just at the margin. And I think that would affect values. But these kind of on-off trades that are risk-related, I think they're very short-term.